Hi everybody, this is Michael G from Systems by Michael. And now you're looking at this contraption. You're saying to yourself, what the hell's going on here? Well, I watched a YouTube video, and sometimes those YouTube videos don't help out as much. And they said to put a Forstner bit and drill a hole, and all of a sudden I tried to put the tool holder or the bushing in there and it's crooked. So how are you going to fix that? Well, this is how you fix it. You set up a steady rest while you're still on center. Bring this down to circle so that this way the steady rest won't be, bouncing around on squares or anything. And then you take your tool rest and you butt it up against the side of the handle, so that this way it won't come out, because we're already set up using a spur drive. Now, if you did this without the tool rest up against the wood, it would eventually fall off. And then my secret fix, and that is using a boring head. And now you will be on center. You'll clean up the hole that kind of went lopsided, and when you put in all the epoxy or whatever, it's going to work fine. Now, is this going to be super quiet? No, it's going to squeak. But that's okay, because even if it squeaks, it's just going to give you more chatter room for the epoxy to go in place. So I'm going to run this Harvey lathe that we sell, and of course you're going to love this boring head and how it works. And all you have to do is take your cut. Once you finish taking your cut, you pull it back out, grab this set screw, and you turn it a little bit more, and it'll bring it in a few thousandths. Now, I know that seems like a lot that you got to do to make it work, but how are you going to fix a crooked tool handle, and you don't want to throw away a nice piece of maple? And here's how we go. Taking a light cut. You can hear it. Because at the end of the day, we want to make sure our tool goes in straight. Now I'm going to speed this up a bit. Now we're about 577 RPM. Okay, doesn't like it too much, so we'll slow it down a bit. Now, look at that. You know what we'll do? We'll fix it with a little wax. That's it. Nothing like a little bit of wax. What color is this? Golden oak. Fine. I'll put a little wax in there. And the wax will solve a lot of... Oh, no, that's not the color we want. We don't want golden oak. What the hell am I doing? Alright, we'll grab this guy. Alright, we got some wax now. Let's open the sucker up. I don't recommend doing this with your nails. But if you have King Kong hands, it'll work. I'm taking a little wax. And now we're going to wax up where it's touching. And you're going to hear that this will go away. And let's try it. Look at that. That's it, gone, right? Man, there's a lot of secrets and stuff going on here. Okay, we're going forward again. I'm only going to go until we reach the end. That's the end. And you can look at our rest, and it's just above 2 inches. Alright. So that was our first cut. Now we're going to go over here. We're going to turn it a bit, and that's probably a few thousandths. And you see it's going to pick up all the high spots. And we're just going to go until we get to look at past 2, and the noise will come out. There we go. Yeah. times. Now this is just a way to save a piece of wood. Actually, if you look, my head is not straight there. So, we have to fix that. And what's happening is, as I'm going around, we need to adjust this a little bit because you don't want this being higher than center line. Alright. It might take a little bit more on straight, but I'll definitely cut that. Now when this gets a consistent sound all the way across, we'll know we're straight. Consistent.